Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Amazon Music subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all have to access your Amazon Music app on your mobile phone and open it up. Right upon doing that, you will be able to access your app. Likewise, right over here you can see, right? So for us, we do have Amazon Music Unlimited 1 month free trial. This is the ad we are getting. So if you have already taken the subscription, you're going to go to your upgrade section where you will be able to see your upgrades, right? And if you would like to cancel it, you have to access the settings icon on top, and then go ahead, tap on the settings icon again. After you have taken the subscription, you will find a separate option for the subscription of yours. You can tap on it, check out the details about regarding it, and then you will have this subscription renewal details. You have to select the cancel option within it. Once you have tapped on it, you have to reconfirm it. Simply tap on this confirm in the notification that will appear. Upon doing that, you will be able to cancel your particular Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. Likewise, that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.